As we have now understood what is AI, it is even more critical to understand what is not. Else, you will keep questioning your understanding of the subject. So, let's see what is not AI. Everything that is smart is not AI. Definitely not your smart TV, which simply connects to the internet and plays video, does not have any element of AI. Likewise, a simple smartwatch which helps you monitor your heartbeat, allows you to read your messages, or simply plays songs does not have any element of AI. And my favorite, this is certainly not AI. Contrary to the common perception, simple chatbots where you can place an order or book a cab does not have any element of AI. These bots are based on simple decision tree models or nested if and else statements. To a lot of people, when they see personalized retargeted ads, they feel it's the magic of AI or the terror of AI. The reason is that they believe machines are listening into what they are saying and thus showing them ads exactly to what they are thinking. But if you study a little bit more, or you try to study a little deeper, you will realize that these machines are tracking your click streams, and basis on your click streams they are showing you the most relevant ads. Since I coach organizations to help them adopt AI, I usually see executives confusing AI with other new generation technologies like IoT, blockchain, virtual reality, HoloLens, and more. But it is very important to understand that all these new generation technologies are mutually exclusive in what they do. But yes, for business application, it may be required to use AI and IoT together or use AI and blockchain together to successfully solve a business problem. Great. At the end of this session, you may be a little confused, right? But I would suggest you take the quiz to gain better clarity before you move on to the next lecture. Thank you.